Stick around to see how we were inspired by the new Little Mermaid trailer and came up with the cutest, easiest, most creative mermaid crafts that you and your kids will love making. I promise, guys, you will not want to miss this video, so stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, it's Cheryl, the activity author, and yep, I'm a children's book author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors, and I also create games as well. But today we are switching gears, guys. Let me tell you how my daughter inspired me to come up with these crafts after she was obsessed with the new Little Mermaid trailer. After she saw it, she brought me her little mermaid costume from like 2 Halloweens ago and made me put it on her and refused to take it off. So yeah, we went the whole day as a mermaid, and not gonna lie, she was loving every minute of it and I was too. So that's what brought us to this video here today. So we were inspired by mermaids and I was like, well, why not make some cute mermaid crafts to show everybody? And also I thought it would be fun creating it with her as well. Also, we do have a coloring book by one of my author friends that I just adore, and my daughter could totally relate to this too, so she was flipping back and forth through that as well. So this video is also inspired by Magical Mermaids, a book by Shayla McGhee. So I guess in a way you guys could say that this is a book-inspired craft video because we were inspired by her coloring book. But nonetheless, guys, y'all have to check out this book. It's called Magical Mermaids again, and I will link it in the description box below. It's not expensive at all, like under $10, and it has so many illustrations. Your kids will be coloring for days on end, I promise you. So check out this book, and also check out this video because you're gonna love it. And we just gonna get up into it, okay? Let's get crafty. Now y'all know I'm gonna have to always start y'all off with the easiest craft. I don't want to intimidate anybody and have y'all clicking off the video, okay? So we gonna start y'all off with the easiest craft. So go ahead and grab your celery stick. You only need one. I cut it up into 5 little pieces, and then I took a black construction paper with some chalk and I sketched out a mermaid tail. And don't worry if you don't feel like you're artistic enough to do it. I have some templates on my website, so just go there and print it off. It's free. Just go print it off and trace it, and there you go. And then as you can see, I'm demonstrating how to make the shells, right? That's what's called? Scales, my fault. The scales on the mermaid's tail by using the carrot stick, and you just kind of dip it and it looks like a mermaid tail. Like, how easy is that? I finished it off with some dots on the bottom of the fin, and that's easy. You cut that out and you're ready to go. All right, so the second idea came to me, of course, because mermaids swim in salt water. So why not make a salt mermaid, right? So I went ahead and just kind of sketched out again what I thought is a mermaid shape. And guys, I still have templates on my website. So if you're intimidated by drawing, do not be. Just print off my template, cut it out, trace it. You're good to go. So now I'm going to water down some paint. And because we've done salt art before, I've done some fireworks and other things with salt art, and but I got this technique. Shout outs to Everyday Sensory Play on Instagram, who I follow and adore, and they showed me if I use hot glue gun to like trace out my design, it'll keep the salt in place. So I did not know that. I used to just put the glue on and put the salt on and be done with it. And that works for a lot of things, but I plan on cutting this out and like hanging it up. So if you want to try that, you can. I mean, I don't think it's 100% like mandatory, but trust me, use the hot glue gun, trace it, and it keeps everything in place. So thank you so much, Everyday Sensory Play, for this wonderful tip. And you guys go check them out. I'm gonna link them in the description box too. All right, so now you're gonna take your brush and your watered down paint. You can use a dropper like I'm doing here. I love the dropper method. It gives you this really cool effect. I love the dropper method. That's my favorite. But you can also use the paintbrush, which I also love too, because once you dip the paintbrush in, you see how it spreads. Like, So it each his own. Try the dropper, try the brush, tell me which one you like the best, but we're gonna keep on creating this together, and we had a lot of fun putting this one together. I just love how the hot glue gun, the outline keeps everything intact, and it doesn't, like, if I didn't have that, the colors would be bleeding all over the cardboard. So thank you for that technique, guys. Y'all should try this if y'all want it to look very neat and pretty. And we're gonna go ahead and add some locks to our girl, you know, representing Halle out there. Shout outs to you, girl. Cannot wait to see the movie. So yes, Halle Bailey inspired Mermaid. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the pointillism mermaid. Right, here I am again sketching out another mermaid. For those who cannot draw, I said it before, I'm gonna say it again, go to my website. Now I have this version right here. If you guys want to add your own little details in it, you can add your own little top shape, you can add your own like mermaid tail shape, or you can just do the exact same one that I'm doing. So I have both versions on my website. Here's a thought: if you actually get Shayla's coloring book, remember Magical Mermaids, I mentioned that earlier, it's a coloring book. You can just get one of those pages out the coloring book and do this activity. All we did was color the mermaid, and you could use the celery if you want to use the celery method and give her some scales that way, or you can use the Q-tip like I'm doing here, and that also kind of gives the illusion that she has scales on her fin. And this is the final product of our pointillism mermaid. For the last craft, I was inspired by another Instagram friend, Create Play Today. We also follow them. Y'all follow them too. Great ideas. So they did this beautiful mermaid, and I thought, that would be so much fun to make with my 3 and 4-year-olds. So we decided to get our cardboard, and we just did a tail this time because, you know, drawing mermaids is fun, but it's exhausting. So all you're gonna do is lather that baby up with glue, and then take the rounds, and what I did is I actually split the rounds in half. You see how I'm splitting it in half? A little bit goes a long way, y'all, trust me. So don't just put the pads on there. If you want to save your bucks and your coins, split them pads in half, okay? Stick that on there, it gives the same look. And we're using the dropper method as well, and we're using paintbrushes. My kids even got the celery sticks, y'all. They brought the celery sticks back. I was like, let's go ahead and use that. The celery sticks don't really work that well. I mean, they work, it's paint, but y'all, I just let them go to town and have fun, because honestly, I just wanted the colors to bleed together and just come alive into this beautiful masterpiece. So watch as we create this. Electrifying, right? Look at how beautiful those colors are, and I will link all of the colors that we used in the description box, because some of y'all are probably like, I want those exact colors. I will link that for you, don't worry, okay? And guys, do me a favor, please comment below which one of these crafts are your favorite and which ones you cannot wait to create today, so that way I know kind of where y'all leaning. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And also, guys, if you love this video, don't forget to like it down below. Show me some love, boost it up on the algorithm, you know what I mean? And if you love kids crafts, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I have like over 150 videos that you guys will love. If y'all love this video, y'all gonna love my other videos, okay? So join the army and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know every time that I post as well, because I try to post on Sundays, but sometimes I don't be making it, y'all, okay? And don't leave just yet. I still have more videos for you to create, so go ahead and click one of these videos right here and keep the party going, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.